have an art craft fair tomorrow. And obviously I have left the planning of my table and like setup till the absolute last minute, 24 hours before the event. So I thought I'd bring you guys along on how I'm gonna set this up. I have to finish up some things. I have to go pick up my final logo. We're doing a rebranding. I can't wait to show you. And yeah, I think it's just gonna be really cool seeing this all come together. So I thought I'd bring you guys along. We're gonna jump right into it. I will throw up my inspiration photos here. This is the vibe we are trying to go for, okay? Like you saw in the pictures, I'm gonna try and create a little background thing so I have a place to hang and put all of my art. Let's assemble this thing. If I want, okay. Wow, my brain. Ah! Haha. Think it would be cool to have like a platform, you know what I'm saying? Different levels to hang, like to put my stuff. I don't know. We're just gonna figure it out as we go, but I feel this feels right. One cube goes over there. Okay, what do we think? So I can put stuff underneath and hanging around here. The stage is designed, and here is my giant box of everything I am working on. So we have a bunch of these in a bunch of different colors. I have these cat hats. I am probably most obsessed with these. Some are glittery and shiny, some are thin, some are really fuzzy. Super cute bear beanies. Look at this. Are you kidding? Adorable. I'm obsessed. I actually have them in a whole bunch of different colors, but I still have to add the ears on. Scrunchies, and I made them in like extra large and small. And then the rest is just my leftover projects. So I have a Winnie the Pooh bucket hat and a frog bucket hat. I've got a bunch of mug rugs, like these cute little cat paws. This is from a video of like last year when I did an art fair, and I've just like kept on to all of these pieces. Some really cute rug tufted mirrors. I have these Tamagotchis, which is also a video up on my channel from the past. This joint mirror. And the demographic for this art fair, I think that's gonna be a hot seller. Cute like mushroom bag and bunny hats. Which, again, all of these, if you're interested in how to make any of these or the process of any of these, go check out my channel because pretty much all of these were a video of their own at one point. And then my little mushy bag. So as you can see, I have a lot of stuff already made, and then I have a lot of stuff I gotta figure out. Where'd the other, did I already put the other one away? Hello? I haven't even moved. How am I already losing? Okay. I don't think the people want a picture of my dead dog as much as I probably do, so gotta fix those up. We'll leave you all out because I'm indecisive. And then I have a couple of these of my headbands that I did not sew in because I hate the sewing process. I really just made myself have to do a whole bunch of it all at once. In the long run, not the best decision, but we're here now and we're gonna get it done. Ugh, now let's get to finishing this all up, I guess. I hate this part. Ugh. Just like that, I have completed the headbands. Look how cute that one is. Obsessed. Obsessed. Throw it in the bin. She done. I got this cute little basket to display all of the scrunchies. Ah! Oh. I do think we need to do a little before and after of this guy because it's gonna be so cute. Are we ready? Ah! Yeah. The ears were needed. They're like super cute from the back. Are you ready for the new logo reveal? Ah! We're simply obsessed. I also made these super cute little business cards. It says my YouTube and my Instagram on the bottom with the logo. I have so much stuff. Okay. Ooh, I also got this fun little guy. I wanted to put one of my hats on it. Ah! Yeah, I think I like that. I guess first is just seeing everything I have, because again, I'm overwhelmed. Lay all of those out. Maybe I'll stagger them like that. Did in my avocado, of course. This is looking packed. I gotta figure out the hat situation. That looks awesome with the mirrors. We are getting full. What do we have left? Too much. Are we done? We still have so much leftover crap. I mean, maybe I should fit that in so I can go like that. And this is what we are looking like, all done. I am absolutely obsessed with it. It all looks so good. I love a good mixture of like my rugs and my crochet. We just love a good yarn craft. Why not have it all? What I decided to do is I just made these little tags that I'm just going to stick underneath each of the items. Cute. I think that's perfect for the tags. And then for the bigger items, I just made some little tickets like this. I was too lazy to do the frames yet, okay? We're gonna do that tomorrow at the event. We'll put that there, that there. And just like that, we are all done. It is set up. There is going to be a tablecloth, so that'll make everything look even better. But I'm really happy with how this came along, considering that I did not have a plan about 25 hours before, what? I had no idea what I was doing like 24 hours before this, so I think it all came together. Thank you guys so much for coming along this journey. I hope it was interesting. I'm really excited for this craft fair tomorrow. Follow me on my Instagram if you want to see live updates, as I always do things on my stories. I think that's about it. Until next time, peace. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.